Performance Bicycling here. We're just here in San Antonio exhibiting at a trade show that's clean, and they're in the convention center. That's cleanpower 2022. We're exhibiting our Velociraptor, but I just wanted to show you this fun little addition we have here this year, this time. An aerial banner being pulled by that red plane up there. I'll show you what it says. Velociraptor. Hey, zip ties. QR code. Kind of works sometimes. There's a T-Rex there with eating zip ties in its mouth. Thought you would enjoy that. Yeah, just I guess probably the thing to talk about is doing unconventional marketing methods so you stand out. The only ones here at the show with yellow shirts, everybody else is here in suit and ties. So anyway, see you next time.